Windows 11 25H2 is expected to launch with minor changes, and while it might not spark headlines like its predecessor 24H2, which brought major AI features and system-wide changes, this upcoming update is quietly gaining attention as Microsoft prepares for a smoother, more stable user experience in late 2025. With subtle yet telling signs pointing toward a September to October rollout, this release will be the calm after the storm, focusing not on flash but on finesse. Recent clues hidden within preview builds, especially in the appraiserres.dll file, the one responsible for checking device compatibility during Windows setup, have revealed unmistakable references to Windows 11 25H2, particularly in build 27842, where OS enthusiasts notice a direct mention linked with host build number 26200. Just a slight leap from 24H2's build 26100, giving strong credibility to the theory that this update will follow the Enablement package model. And what does that mean for you? It means that instead of downloading an entirely new operating system, Microsoft will simply activate features already embedded within the existing system, minimizing disruption and keeping your upgrade process buttery smooth. This strategy, used in the past from Windows 10 1903 to 1909, and again with Windows 11 22H2 to 23H2, allows Microsoft to roll out platform-level changes without turning everything upside down. A smart move, especially when millions will be migrating from Windows 10 before its end of support on October 14, 2025. The abbreviation G25H2, spotted in the update files, shorthand for greater than or equal to Windows 11 25H2, reinforces that this isn't a brand new OS, but rather a refinement of the solid foundation laid by 24H2's Germanium codebase. So, what can users realistically expect in terms of changes? While Microsoft is tight-lipped, leaks and insider reports suggest the most user-facing tweak will be a revamped start menu, with a new option to disable the recommendations section, allowing users to clean up their start interface to show just pinned or all apps, a long-awaited feature that speaks directly to user feedback. Beyond this, most of the updates are expected to remain under the hood. Platform-level enhancements aimed at improving system stability, app compatibility, performance tuning, and possibly background optimizations to support future features. If that sounds less exciting than new UI elements or AI integrations, consider this. With every system running more apps, using more cloud integrations, and syncing across more devices than ever before, performance and reliability are everything. And after the rough edges users experience with the 24H2 release, from installation glitches and hardware compatibility issues to unexpected bugs, Microsoft clearly understands that a solid, dependable update is exactly what users need right now. As of now, there's no official announcement from Microsoft on 25H2, no blog post, no roadmap, and no detailed release notes, but all signs point toward a soft rollout to insider testers in the fall of 2025, before it becomes generally available to the public. The strategy seems to be one of controlled refinement, fixing what needs to be fixed, streamlining where it matters, and avoiding the complications that come with a massive OS upgrade. It's worth noting that Microsoft has a track record of keeping back-end improvements vague until they're ready to fully debut, which aligns perfectly with what we're seeing in 25H2, the groundwork for a smoother Windows, one that bridges the transition from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without shocking the system, literally or figuratively. And while this update might not bring revolutionary features, it sets the tone for what's likely coming down the road in 2026 and beyond, possibly even paving the way for Windows 12 once the dust settles and the Germanium platform has been fully optimized. Whether you're an enterprise IT manager, a content creator, a power user, or just someone who wants their PC to work without hiccups, Windows 11 25H2 is shaping up to be the low-drama update we all need, especially with so many depending on Windows to stay productive, secure, and connected. So if you've been holding off on updates due to past issues, this might just be the moment to step back in. Keep in mind that Microsoft may still adjust its plans, and while all this information is based on real build data and past behavior, it's still unofficial. So stay tuned for official confirmation as the Insider program continues testing. But if history is any guide, Microsoft is preparing a safe, streamlined, and efficient upgrade that will reinforce the Windows 11 foundation without shaking it. A clear signal that they're listening, learning, and focusing on quality. And that's exactly the kind of approach that earns trust. especially at a time when millions of devices are due for mandatory upgrades. So, whether you're excited, cautious, or somewhere in between, make sure you stay up to date with every new Windows Insight leak and release detail right here on your trusted tech source, TechVerse.